mean, these trees are like humongous and the whole tops are moving. Makes me quite nervous.
What was that? Somebody just finished recording or started recording?
I started to record.
You recording?
Right now I am trying to.
No, I'm talking about over here.
No. Wow. Nothing will stop these guys. They use this stuff for camouflage. And you just go twice as many times. Wow. Okay, the wind's blowing this way, but the trees are going the other way. That's great. Whoa, what happened over there? Uh-oh. I'm gonna keep my eyes on the ground. There you go. Of course it is. Cracking a tree. Man, I've been saying for years that these come right out of the trees. And there you go. And there you have it. All the way up. Wow. Really? I have 3 minutes, okay. Look at this. I'm at the 3-minute warning. Whoa. Whoa, here we go, Twista.
Wow, look at those trees.
I know. Scary. Watch this. Oh, I love these red things. Look at these red things right here. These are the greatest. It's like the emergency ambulance. Wow. I can't tell if that's a head popping out of there or what. Or right there or something. 2-minute warning. What is that? Oops. It took that long to clear in because the battery's low. Even though I was charging on it. There's a big hole, a perfect hole in the tree.
Something's amiss.
Oh, look, they're sitting right next to the tree and the snow's building up around them like a house. Ooh, look out. I'm sorry. I got him. The hole in the tree. Hold on, guys. Shit, don't lose it. Did you see that? It was coming out.
No, you kicked the freaking one down.
No, right here. Look, there it is. The tree split all the way up, but the bark, they pushed the bark open so something came out. Oh, now they're coming out right there. Holy crap. Of course, they're the little people. Look! Or they're babies. Oh my God. The door opened and they couldn't shut it, Billy. They're getting blown away. Whoa. It's starting to bang now. I can't tell if that's a Bigfoot or not. It's too... It is.
News you can put on?
Yeah, if you would just please wait a minute. I gotta...
Screwed up my freaking,
Billy.
It's taking time.
Billy, you're right next to me.
No, you just pushed me out of the way. I don't want to anymore.
No, I had to make sure... Oh my God. Okay, now I moved. I'm down to 0 minutes, so I'm out. Oh my God. I'm pretty sure that's Bigfoot. I'm almost positive now. Thank you. Good.